how to change Facebook language. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step. And if this video was helpful, then let me know in the comments and let's get started. So what you want to do is simply go to the menu and open up the settings. So if you click on the settings right here, you want to search for language. So that's what I'm going to do real quick, and click on language and region. And then at the top it says language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. So if you click on there, this will open up automatically your iPhone settings. Now, your Facebook language is set to the language you have set on your iPhone, but you can actually do specific preferred languages per app as well. So if you go to the Facebook app settings, which you can do in the settings very easily, or you can just click on what I just did, and then it will also automatically open it in here. So here you can see preferred language, and then you can actually set a language which you would like to. So let's say I were to set it to my native language, which is Dutch, and yeah, then go back, close the Facebook app, open it up again. Then now, as you can see, everything is set to Dutch. So if I were to go to the settings, you can see everything is now set to Dutch. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.